Welcome back, and in your top business story, Etihad Rail, the developer and operator of the UAE's national railway network, has taken delivery of the first 2 of 7 locomotives to be shipped to the UAE. The company said in a statement that the locomotives arrived as construction on stage 1 of the UAE's national rail project continues to progress. The 2 locomotives are the first rolling stock to arrive since the delivery of the company's batch of wagons last December, together which will form the UAE's first trains. Electromotive Diesel, a US-based company, designed and manufactured the locomotives for Etihad Rail. Dr. Nasser Al-Mansouri, CEO of Etihad Rail, further added in the statement that the arrival of the locomotives is a remarkable step forward and another indicator that the company is fast approaching the commencement of operations for Stage 1. Phase 1 of the UAE rail network will extend 264 kilometers in the west of the country from Shah and Habshan near Abu Dhabi to Ruwais. Upon completion, the UAE's national railway network will span about 1,200 kilometers and form part of the planned Gulf-wide railway network. Emirates Airline will start a daily service to Stockholm from September 4th. The carrier will operate the route with a 354-seat Boeing 777-300ER in a 3-class configuration and offer passengers from the Swedish capital access to more than 40 destinations across West Asia, the Far East, as well as Australasia. Emirates flights will depart Dubai at EK 157 at 7:15 a.m. and arrive at Stockholm Arlanda Airport at midday local time. Return flight EK 158 will leave Stockholm at 1:55 p.m. and land at Dubai International Airport at 10:25 p.m. Emirates Sky Cargo will also offer 19 tons of cargo capacity between Dubai and Stockholm. Following its successful launch into Copenhagen in 2011, the airline has been closely evaluating options for further expansion in Scandinavia. According to Tim Clark, the president of Emirates Airline, he stated that Sweden, with its stable and growing economy, is the perfect location to extend Emirates' regional presence. Bilateral trade between the UAE and Sweden currently, or rather, reached more than $896 million in 2012, an increase of 4.3% as compared to the previous year. A delegation from the Sharjah Investment and Development Authority, Shuruk, has successfully concluded a visit to Geneva, Switzerland, where officials participated in the Swiss Arab Wealth Management Forum, which took place on the 10th of April on Wednesday. Organized by the Arab Swiss Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Al-Iqtisad Wal Amal Group, and the Geneva Financial Center, the event had more than 200 high-profile speakers representing the banking and finance industries, as well as other significant players in investment and wealth management from Switzerland and the Arab world. Considered to be the first of its kind, the UAE was recognized as the guest of honor. Chief Executive of Shuruk, His Excellency Marwan bin Jassim Al Sarkal, carried out a session titled United Arab Emirates, a Global Business Hub, where he presented the current state of Sharjah's key sectors, and also he highlighted the existing investment and business opportunities for those seeking to invest in the UAE. Increased consumer confidence in Dubai, coupled with higher demand for office space during the first quarter of 2013, will encourage previously stalled developments to restart, according to a new report. Real estate firm Clutton's Q1 study on Dubai's office and retail property sectors stated that Dubai's retail sector continues to show considerable activity and is led by the pull of the Dubai Mall as a global retail destination. It stated that despite predictions of price rises, Dubai's office market is very fragmented, with several sub-markets struggling to attract tenants. However, some locations have seen a rise in rents over the past 6 months, with the company adding that this has been apparent particularly in areas that suffered most from the property collapse of 2008, such as Jumeirah Lakes Towers or JLT, Tcom C, Al Barsha, as well as Business Bay. In these locations, Clutton stated that it has seen rents increase by approximately 10 to 15% in better quality and completed projects.